wow, look at this. Hello, mi gente, welcome back to our channel. So today we got the Joie Veggie Spiral Strips. Basically, this thing is like a sharpener, basically, right? So, you know, you take your vegetables and you sharpen them, like your cucumbers, your zucchinis, and the carrots. So we're gonna try this today. Mind you, I've never done anything like this. So let's see how it goes, all right? So here it is. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and let's see how it works. This is like a trompo. You ever seen a trompo in Spanish? They go like this. I don't even know what it's called. What is a trompo called in English? I've actually asked that question before. Anyway, so basically you take this sharpener pencil looking thing and you slice it. I've never done anything like this. I don't know why anybody would, because all I do is chop, chop, chop and just eat it, you know, regular. But we're gonna try this out. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try the carrots. Let's see how it works. It's supposed to be counterclockwise, I guess. So here goes nothing. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, it's like sharpening it. It's so easy. Mira. Oh, that's nice. And it gives you like nice little like onion looking. So for those of you who want to have like fancy people around in your house and you want to spice up your dinners, you can get this, and it's actually pretty easy. Look, it makes the shape of a pencil. So wow, this is pretty easy. You don't have to put a lot of force, so easily just slicing it through, and you get a nice looking, you know, salad type carrot. So that was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, so the next thing we're gonna try is the zucchini. So zucchinis are like a cucumber. I don't know what people eat them with. What is it for? But who knows? So this is a little bit more, texture is a little softer. Let's see what happens with the zucchini. Oh wow, look at this. It's like making a little bit of spaghetti. I've seen people like cook it, like make spaghetti zucchini or something like that. Just look at that, look at that. Wow, I'm sure you can eat it this way. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I really don't eat zucchinis, but if you do, you can peel off. I know some people that what I've done is they put what? This is actually cool. You can peel off like half of, and you know, make it look kind of fancy. You know, for you cooks out there, really nice. You know, for you amateurs like myself, you have spaghetti, you know, salads and stuff, or you can cook them and make your salads look pretty. So yeah, this looks pretty good. So far, this has been really nice and easy. So we're gonna go with the cucumber and see how this is. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Nice and easy. No effort whatsoever. Cucumber, it's like a nice little spaghetti cucumber salad with zucchini and carrots. So for those of you who wanna spice up your salads, you know, you make it, you have different colors and stuff. For those of you who like to cook, and I think this is a nice little tool to make your foods look fancy. I'm going to use it. You know, obviously I'm an amateur. This tool, it's about, I've seen it $3 to $4 in Marshalls, and it's really, really inexpensive, and it can make your foods look really nice and fancy. So, you know, a couple of bucks, $3, $4, $5, you can actually find it in the store. Take a look at it, and I think you guys will really like it. This is great. So, this is an amazing little tool. Look at that, looks nice and pretty. Look at that, look at that. There you have it. And that was the review of the Joie Veggie Spiral Strips. Hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment if you have any other, you know, tools like this that maybe we can try out in the Kilowatt Kitchen. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Kilowatt.